Lisa, and today I am back with my everyday makeup routine. It's super easy, fresh, and girly, so if you want to see how to get it, then just keep on watching. So to start with, I usually use primer, but I ran out, so instead I've been using this tinted sunscreen, and it actually works really well and allows me to skip 2 steps since it has sunscreen built in. Then for foundation, I'm using this light dewy coverage one by Dior. You guys have always been asking to see what my products look like, so that is what I'm doing for you today. I hope you guys like that. Let me know in the comments what you think. Next, just going to apply some lip balm so my lips are moisturized by the time I put lipstick on. This one by Sephora is amazing. It is so good. I highly recommend. It is my new favorite product. Then for brows, you guys have seen me do this 1,000 times, but in case you haven't, I use the Too Faced Chocolate Brownie Pencil. I ordered it off the Too Faced website since I can barely find it anywhere, but I know you can sometimes get it in Ulta, so I just use that to brush and fill in my brows, and then just go over it with any clear brow gel. Next, no makeup look is complete without my trusty Bobbi Brown Corrector. I use this to brighten up my inner corners and cancel out any veins on my eyelids. Now to give your eyes a more polished look, I usually don't use eyeshadow, but this look is so easy. It's the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Contour Palette. I just mix these two light brown shades together, tap off the excess, and then apply that all over my entire mobile lid and a little bit in the crease. Next for eyeliner, I've just taken an angled brush and dipped that into the black shade in the same eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using that to create a softer but still defined winged eyeliner. As you can see, it's a lot easier because all you do is literally just like tap it onto your eyelid, smooth it out over the top, and then because it's an angled brush, it basically creates the wing for you. So this is a super easy hack if you're really not good at wing liner but still love it. I just got this new eyelash curler from Shiseido and it is so amazing. I will have all the details of every single product listed down below, but then I'm just going over it with my favorite mascara by Too Faced. Then to conceal and brighten up my face so I look more awake on a day-to-day basis, I'm just using this Mercier concealer. I'm just dotting it under my eyes as you can see and then blending it in using the warmth of my fingers. Then to give myself some perfectly rosy cheeks, I'm using this Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Puff. I'm just dotting that on in 3 dots across my cheek on 2 layers and then blending it in with a clean finger. It is so cute. It's just as cute as it looks in the packaging, so I'd highly recommend trying it. And the best part about it is I actually use whatever's left on my finger and I just tap that onto my lips and it makes my lips look so much fuller and then just gives this matchy look, which I really love. Finally, to set everything, I'm using this Urban Decay Chill Setting Spray, which is perfect for dry skin and still keeps everything in place. And that is the look complete. I hope you guys really like this, and if you did, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!